wonder, why does God make a way back after mistakes?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Lamentations shows people grieving deeply after painful consequences and loss. Let's slow down and look carefully. This book is full of sadness, reflection, honesty, and small moments of hope. This might surprise you. The brain often learns most deeply during moments of pain, reflection, and emotional struggle. Most people miss this part. Even in the middle of grief, the writer still keeps searching for hope and restoration. Here is the deeper layer. God allows people to return and rebuild because growth often begins after honest reflection and healing.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Lamentations shows people processing grief after painful consequences. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Sorrow was helping people recognize how much had slowly gone wrong. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. The writer expresses emotions honestly instead of pretending everything feels fine. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Healing often starts when people slow down and face pain truthfully. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still struggle with regret, emotional pain, and disappointment. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Honest reflection slowly helps the brain move toward healing and wisdom.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Even small moments of reflection slowly reshape emotional patterns. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns emotional responses through repetition. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Hopeless thinking can slowly deepen sadness and fear. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Gratitude and hope slowly strengthen emotional resilience. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more emotionally trapped or more emotionally healing. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny moments of hope quietly strengthen the brain over time.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. Emotional pain often affects focus, motivation, and relationships. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Sadness and regret can quickly overwhelm clear thinking. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional exhaustion slowly weakens resilience and hope. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated negative thinking slowly shapes emotional health. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Many people hide pain behind distractions instead of processing emotions honestly.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Healing usually starts very quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily reflection slowly rebuilds emotional stability. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns safer emotional patterns. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Honest reflection slowly feels less overwhelming. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny rays of sunlight slowly brighten a dark room over time.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during sadness or regret. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Honest emotions help the brain process pain more safely. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one thankful thought matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Healing usually develops slowly over time. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small hopeful habits slowly strengthen emotional resilience.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Spend 1 quiet minute thinking about something hopeful today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to. Even one honest prayer matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully. Notice when hopeless thoughts begin growing stronger. 4. Adjust without quitting. Emotional healing usually happens through repeated small steps. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small hopeful choices slowly create stronger emotional resilience. Remember, healing often grows slowly, but small faithful steps still matter deeply over time. God stays close during pain, reflection, and rebuilding, especially when people keep moving forward honestly. Every small hopeful choice is helping your brain, emotions, and character grow stronger and wiser each day. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.